Installation of your unit. Wood Heating in Australia provides a clean, efficient and environmentally friendly way to heat your home. Taking the time to ensure your wood heater is installed correctly will ensure you have a sustainable heat source for years to come. Wood heaters sold on the Australian market must be tested to a safety and clearance standard known as AS/NZS 2918. These standards define the tests which must take place for a product to be able to obtain certification and be sold on the Australian market. Clearances to combustibles for units will be outlined in the literature provided by the manufacturer of your unit. These include side clearances, rear wall clearances, and clearances required if installing the unit into a corner. It will also dictate the hearth requirements for the unit, including thickness and projection required in front of and beside the fire itself. The flue used for the unit will also need to meet the Australian standards. Be sure to check the flue system you propose to use is suited for your unit and has been tested to the standard. If your flue system is not tested with your appliance, it must be a default flue kit, as specified in the current version of AS/NZS 2918. Drop boxes and wall and floor penetration kits must be used when penetrating sections of your home. Be sure to check requirements before proceeding with any installation. A minimum flue height of 4.6 metres from the hearth to the flue cap is required. At the flue cap, you must have 3 metres clear to any structure or obstacle. This includes second stories, including neighbouring properties, parapet walls, trees, or any solid structure. Not meeting these requirements can make the fire burn incorrectly, cause a smoke nuisance for neighbouring properties, or could create a fire hazard. States and local councils may have different requirements for installations, including who can install a unit and the compliance certification required. Ask your local Australian Home Heating Association member of the statutory requirements in your area. Your local Australian Home Heating Association member can give you professional advice and recommend installers who can give you peace of mind that your new heating investment will be compliant now and for years to come. Visit our website to find your local member.